In this short tutorial, you will learn how to enable an app to run in the background on Android devices. Running in the background means that the app can continue working even when you're not actively using it. To get started, swipe down from the top, just like this, and then tap on the gear icon at the top right corner of the screen. Once you are on the settings page, scroll down to the bottom. Tap Battery and Device Care. After that, tap Battery. And then tap Background Usage Limits. Tap Never Sleeping Apps. And then tap on the plus button at the top right corner of the screen. Now, what you want to do next is tap and select the apps that you want to run in the background. You can scroll down this list and find and select any apps. For example, I'm going to select some random apps. Once you've selected those apps, tap Add at the bottom right corner. Now these apps have the ability to run in the background. It's important to note that allowing apps to run in the background can impact your device's battery life, so it's a good idea to only allow essential apps to do so. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.